Good afternoon from legendary title Living the Dream. Today is a much better day. The sun is out, it's a little bit warmer, and going to go to a place called Stewart's Park. I'm meeting one of my subscribers. I'm going to go and have a coffee. So let's go to Stewart's Park. I'm going to give Stewart's Park a miss because there's some event on Stewart's Park today and it's absolutely heaving full. So we're going to go somewhere else. For those people who know Teesside, Suggett's ice cream at the Suggett shop, overlooking the river and the waterfalls. For a large ice cream, £2.60. Much cheaper than the ice cream at Redcar Beach, and it's much nicer. So Suggett's ice cream, go for the ice cream. Yeah. So Great Ayton, can't remember the last time I've been here, but I just remember it from many years ago. It's actually never changed. No ducks here today, that's the only difference. Oh, there's some ducks over there. This is what I miss, the country pub, Blackwellocks. Been here many times. This is what I miss. If Thailand had some country pubs, it'd be lovely.
I've done a few times in the different.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
So red curry, nearly £19, 20 quid for king prawn. Green curries, starting off at £19, yellow curry, massaman curry, Penang curry, my favourite, $18.95. The Lordstone's Glamping Cafe Shop and Restaurant. Having a coffee in Lordstone's Cafe. We were just sat putting the world to right. Then the clouds started coming and it was like turned very nippy and chilly. So in for a cappuccino. Thanks very much, Dave, for driving me around, looking at some of the places I used to visit when I was much younger. Thanks very much. And coming up is the beautiful view of Teesside and Cleveland, going all the way over to Hartlepool and Roseby Top in the distance. This is where I used to come paragliding here when I was about 42, 44. Stunningly beautiful, brings back memories. But as you can see, a bit cloudy and overcast again today, but it's a little bit warmer today than it has been. And this is where I used to run and pray that I took off and the wind grabbed me and lifted me up. Because if it didn't, it was a long walk back up, because you landed in them fields down below, and then it was a long walk back up. Stunningly beautiful views. What do you think?